One of me woodpeckers paying a visit to the bird garden. Willow bird garden. Anybody wanting to donate any seeds can do by posting them directly to Willow Farm, Haydon Bridge Hexham NE47-6DX. I've got a number of woodpeckers calling daily, but as you can see, we keep all the local bird population going. They like to eat nuts, sunflower seeds, sunflower hearts, mealworm. If anybody wants to donate anything to feed them. I'd like to catch 2 woodpeckers at once. There's 2 minutes of my bird garden, people. I'll do it.